Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. You have to excuse me if I'm a little congested. I'm a bit coming out with a cold, so just bear with me here in the video. There's a critical fire weather area today covering southeastern Colorado, northeastern New Mexico, the northern part of the Panhandle of Texas, the Oklahoma Panhandle, far northwestern Oklahoma, and southwestern Kansas. Cities in the critical fire weather area today include Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas, Liberal, Kansas, Pampa, Texas, and Dumas, Texas. There are two elevated fire weather areas today, one covering parts of southeast Colorado, eastern New Mexico, west central and northwestern Texas, western Oklahoma, and parts of Kansas. The second elevated fire weather area today covers southeastern Alabama, the Florida Panhandle, northwestern Florida, much of Georgia, the northwestern half of South Carolina, parts of North Carolina, and parts of Virginia. So, anyway, in synopsis, elevated to critical fire weather conditions are expected this afternoon across portions of the southern and central high plains, as well as across portions of parts of the southeast. Both fire weather regimes will be influenced by building surface high pressure in the wake of a cold front pushing into the northern Gulf and southeast Atlantic coast, central and southern high plains. Building surface high pressure is noted across the southern plains, with very dry conditions dew points in the teens to single digits observed across western Texas into western Kansas. Southwest winds are forecast to strengthen to 15 to 25 miles per hour on the western periphery of the surface high this afternoon as a dry return flow regime becomes established. Mostly sunny skies coupled with very low boundary layer moisture will support deep mixing and relative humidity values in the single digits to low teens. Critical fire weather conditions remain likely across the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles in the southwest Kansas, where gusts up to 30 miles per hour appear likely. Given recent fire activity across northwest Texas, the fuel environment will support the fire weather threat. Southeast states. 06 UTC surface observations depict the cold front pushing eastward across the southeast. Although scattered showers accompany this front, the latest forecast depicts low possibility for wetting rainfall across northern Florida and central Georgia and South Carolina, which will likely be insufficient to mitigate ERC values well above the 95th percentile. In the wake of the cold front, west-northwest winds will prevail across much of the region. A combination of dry air advection and downslope flow off the southern Appalachians will contribute to widespread 15 to 25 miles per hour relative humidity minimums. Elevated to locally critical fire weather conditions should become fairly widespread as winds increase in the 15 to 20 mile per hour range, with localized gusts upwards of 25 to 30 miles per hour. So, that's your Day 1 fire weather outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event they need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fires can start to spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today, because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly and get out of control. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit, because one, that's littering, which is illegal and can harm the environment. You could get a hefty fine if you get caught littering. Also, my next point is, all it takes one little spark for a fire to start to spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, stay safe in these areas today, and I will see you in the next video, whenever that will be. Take care.